How did we get here? Let truth speak. Only truth. We once walked proud, strength in our land, brothers and sisters, hand in hand. A nation rising with dreams so wide, but warning signs were brushed aside. Communal clashes in quiet towns, leaders spoke soft, fear slowly grew. Whispers turned fire, villages burned. We should have learned, we should have learned. Insurgents came with shadows and fire. Terror spread across earth and sky. Villages fell, markets cried, children fled, mothers sighed. Faith was shaken, trust grew thin. Some blame tribe, some blame creed, but truth is bitter when we look deep. Security broke, our tears did weep. Herders and farmers locked in pain, blood-stained fields lost again. Extremists hid behind belief, turning sorrow into grief. North and south both felt the sword. Church and mosque prayed to one Lord. Yeah, we argued over who suffered more, when all our hearts were bruised and sore. Voices shouting across the seas, nation listed with concerns and pleas. Accusations fly from foreign land, a mirror placed in our own hand. Not all claims tell all the truth, but something broke, that's also true. We stand today before the world, our story mixed, our flag unfurled. Government, listen, guard the weak. Justice and safety all must seek. Protect the land with steady hand. Do more than promises and sand. We need unity, peace that stays, truth and action, brighter days. Nigeria rise, I'll hold my pride. Let truth heal, not divide. No, da 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 da. President, rise with calm and grace. Speak for this land in every place. Tell the world our wounds run deep. Not faith against faith, but lives we keep. Insurgents twist what truth should be. It's terror, not religion. We must free, stand firm, explain, extend a hand. We need support, not misunderstanding. No, 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 no. every tear, every field. Not by blame, but honest tone. By facing truth, we rise as one. Let healing begin with truth. Let leadership rise with courage. Nigeria, shine again.